So I think implementing a good closet clear out strategy is pertinent to making more sales on Poshmark, because obviously Poshmark is going to continue to push this. Hi everyone, it's Nina, Beachfront Bargains, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm an online reseller on Amazon, eBay, and Poshmark. If you are new and you like today's video, make sure to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Today's video is going to be about closet clear out and how can you utilize closet clear out to make sales. So closet clear out is when Poshmark offers discounted shipping when you drop the price below 10% of the historical lowest price. This used to be something that was very rare. Like, I've been at Poshmark for over 3 years, and it used to be like for a weekend once a month they would do this, but now they're honestly doing this about twice a week. So I think implementing a good closet clear out strategy is pertinent to making more sales on Poshmark, because obviously Poshmark is going to continue to push this. So I'm going to go through some strategies and ways that we use closet clear out that definitely help increase our sales. So first method, and this is my favorite method to do, is targeted closet clear out. If you follow me on Instagram, you've probably seen me every closet clear out day post this again, because I think it's so successful to try this. Like, I make a lot of sales this way. So targeted closet clear out is, instead of just randomly dropping prices, it's when someone likes an item, boom, you're targeting them with a closet clear out. So what I do is when they like an item, I go to the bundles feature, because there's no real way to message people in Poshmark, just the bundles feature. And I send them a message via that. And the message says, hi there, Poshmark is doing closet clear out today. I was wondering if you'd be interested if I drop the price to, and insert the price. Then Poshmark would provide discounted shipping. And I always put like smiley faces and stuff. And then they either come back with yes, and then you can drop the price, no, you move on, or they try and negotiate, which I'll totally work with. And this is the best method I found for closet clear out. It works really well. I mean, I probably get a couple sales every time there's a closet clear out because of this. Some ways to make this easier. One, use text shortcuts, text replacements on your phone. So I have it to where I just type CCO space and boom, that whole message is going to pop up, and I just have to go put the price in there. Two, and I think this is very overlooked, is that price you're offering needs to be a good price. It needs to be something that they're going to say yes to and not just scroll away and ignore it. So how do I figure out what to drop the price to? I use the Sellhound app, and I just look the exact item up. I look up comps and I see what is it selling for, and I give them an offer around that price. So I know that the offer I'm giving them is decent. And it also needs to be a good percentage off of your listing price. Like, the minimum is 10%, but I always try to do at least 15 to 20, just to pique that interest, you know, because you just don't want them to see it and be like, oh, whatever, and ignore it. So that is targeted closet clear out. You do it when you get likes. I also have pretty much stopped doing offers to likers and replaced it with closet clear out. So I save my likes up for a couple of days, and then I'll just go through them and send targeted messages via the bundles features when there's closet clear out days. And I found that to be really successful. The second strategy to closet clear out, I think this is another great one, and it's a lot less intricate than, you know, doing all these offers via the bundles feature, is to sort your closet by just in and scroll all the way to the bottom to your oldest inventory and do closet clear out on those items specifically, and do it on a certain amount each closet clear out, right? Let's say you want to do it on 10 items every closet clear out, 20 items. It's going to depend, again, you know, how much inventory you have, but if you have 800 items, then doing it on 20 is a good amount. But just finding your oldest items, doing closet clear out, and then if it doesn't move via closet clear out, relist that item and move on. And then just keep going to the bottom. And this is also a great way to keep your closet fresh, you know, relook at items, relist items. I think relisting is really a way to be successful, but you never know, because older items are going to tend to have more likes if they're in demand items. So you're hitting a lot of people with that. So that's the second strategy. The third strategy is going through your closet, and unfortunately there's no way to sort your closet by the number of likes, but going through your closet and looking for items that have the most amount of likes and doing closet clear out on those likes. are those items. You can do that via the bundles feature where you send a message to every person that's liked that item, or you can just do a general closet clear out on those items. But you're just more likely to have success because those items have more likes and more attention on them, right? So if you're doing closet clear out with an item that has 5 likes versus doing it with an item that has 45 likes, a lot more people are seeing that, right? So depending on how many items you have in your closet, how much time you have, you can either do it the targeted way or just send out, drop the price and do the closet clear out at whatever time you're available to do it. But I think that's a really good way. It's just statistics, right? There's more people, you're more likely to get a sale that way. Okay, and then the fourth, this isn't really a strategy, but it's just more of a tip. Keep in mind the time of day you're doing closet clear out. So you want to do it when people are available and they have their phones. So I think the best time, if it's during the week, is definitely between like 5 p.m. to like 8 or 9 p.m. And then on the weekends, you want to do it like in the afternoon. You don't want to do it too early in the morning or anything like that. So those are my tips for closet clear out. Like I said, closet clear out is becoming more and more common on Poshmark. It's at least weekly, sometimes twice a week. So I think using those strategies can really help you utilize closet clear out to make more sales. So I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. And thank you for watching. Bye.